We are here in Dallas at Electrify Expo to learn about some new Hankook iON tire tech specifically made for electric vehicles.
EVs are heavy, so you need to make sure that your tires are up for the job.
That's why Hankook has developed a dedicated line of EV tires.
They even have tires for the biggest and heaviest of EVs, electric pickups.
The Hankook iON HT is designed for longer tread life, low rolling resistance in order to increase range, high grip in the wet and dry, and low noise, delivering bold design without compromising on performance.
We got Joe here from Hankook, and he's going to tell us how these iON HTs are specifically developed for electric pickup trucks.
In most cases, what you're going to find out is that it's a heavier vehicle, adding more stress to the tire, and they have huge amounts of torque.
So much torque.
So what Hankook's done, we've actually built a dedicated tire for EV. So our casing is built more robust. It's designed to take that extra weight, right, but still ride smooth.
Right.
It's designed to take the extra torque, but not feel funky when you're driving in all-season capability.
Right.
And that's what we've done with the iON HT here. It has the capabilities for all season. But we have a saying in Texas, if you don't like the weather, just wait, it's bound to change, right? So all of a sudden we've got great weather and it'll switch and it's raining torrentially. This thing has all kinds of wicking properties. And the really cool part is that this thing has great mileage. A lot of time EV owners are telling us, man, I love my EV, but it doesn't get the mileage that I want. This iON HT, 80,000 mile tires. That actually rivals regular tires. What I would say is that give us a try. What's really cool about the Hankook, not only is it a great product, but it's our warranty and how we back it up. The Hankook Sure Tire Plan is fantastic. We'll actually give you 100 days to try it. Our 100-day trial, if you don't like the way it looks, feels, smells, man, you just feel icky while you're driving around, you can use the 100-day trial to switch it out for something else.
Really gives you that peace of mind.
Peace of mind. There's no reason not to try it.
Hankook is so certain you'll love these iON HTs that they've included their Sure Tire Plan for all of their EV iON products.
So that's a 100-day free trial, 80,000 mile tread wear warranty, and a road hazard warranty.
So if you have an electric pickup truck, the Hankook iON HT is for you.